At Tint 360, we offer both ceramic coating and paint protection film for your vehicle, but what's the difference? Ceramic coating is a clear liquid application that we apply to multiple surfaces of your vehicle to protect it from the everyday elements while driving. It forms a strong bond with your vehicle's paint and provides a transparent protective layer. It offers a glossy finish, hydrophobic properties, and also makes your car much easier to clean. It also adds resistance against chemical stains and harsh weather conditions. So now let's talk about paint protection film, which is my favorite. Paint protection film is a clear polyurethane material that we apply to the exterior of the vehicle. We apply to the surface of the vehicle to protect it from the weather, elements, rocks that get thrown at it from everyday driving, protect it from scratches, and all sorts of other things as well. It will actually also protect against sun fade too. So why would someone opt in for paint protection film over ceramic coating? PPF is designed to take the brunt of road debris, scratches, and minor dents. As for ceramic coating, it's not as aggressive when it comes to physical damage. Therefore, if you drive your vehicle in conditions that can expose your vehicle to potential physical damage, then paint protection film would be a more suitable option for you. You might wonder, why not get the best of both worlds? Ceramic coating and paint protection film both work hand in hand for the ultimate protection for your vehicle. At Tint 360, we offer specialized packages that combine these services, offering you the ultimate protection. So reach out to Tint 360 today and let us protect your investment.